What's with the stick? I know. Why do you want to put the stick in there? Be because it's cool? Okay. If you say so. Sticks out the back. It's falling out again. Why don't you drive down the long sidewalk? That long sidewalk. Oh, you gonna hold the stick now? Maybe Papa can help. I don't know. Maybe I can get it in there. Will it stay? I don't know. We'll see. Nope. Falls out. There's really no place to put it. No place to put it, buddy. Unless you want to sit on it. You can sit on it. Now you have a tail. Looks like you have a tail like a cat or a dog. What's that sticking out your butt? He can't back up straight. As much as he tries. It cracks me up. He's gonna back up all the way. Since when do you want to back up all the way? Oh, you're spinning out there. Yep, straighten up your tail. Oh, that's what you wanted to do. Get it stuck. Yeah, it's a Toyota. I forgot what they're called, FJ Cruiser or something like that. Hear the airplanes? Hear them? They're flying today. That's because it's a beautiful day. And you wonder why is Papa not at work? Because Papa took the day off to spend with Jaxon. I'm going to take you to school and pick you up. We'll just hang out today, right? Yep. Yeah. I think it starts in a couple hours. So now what you doing? What do you see there? Yeah, it's an ant hole.
Ants should be in there.
Yeah, Papa needs to spray the yard so the ants will die. Knock on the door, maybe they'll come out to play. There's one. See, it just came out of the hole. See? It just came out of the hole. There's one. He's scared of you. Aw. Oh, there he is. Careful, he's gonna get you. He's gonna get you. His stick's not gonna get him. Look, there's more ants over there. Right next to it. See? Right there. There's one right there. There's one right there. It's going up your leg. It's on your foot. Uh-oh, it's going up your leg. It's on your arm. It's on your hand. Stop it. You poking me with a stick. I don't want ants on me. Dead ant, dead ant, dead ant, dead ant, dead ant. Alright, they're gone. Very good. They're gone. Hush you. Bless you. Did you get any on you?
No.
No? You sure?
No.
Did you check? See? You're right. You didn't get any on you. Oh no, you're catching up. You're gonna get me. Do it again. See? There's the airplane. Meow. You want to put that out in the yard? Show you how it works? What was that?